Alright, so you want to make your way down to the passenger footwell. Don't mind my light setup, I didn't really have anything better. But the tools you're going to need are a ratchet, 10mm socket, and a, what is this, T20 Torx bit. Now, under the dashboard, there's this panel you could see right here, and it goes all the way to the back. There are two 10mm bolts, one right there on the right side, and then another one, and focus that right there. So you want to go ahead and loosen those up. Hopefully I can get a good shot here. I hope you guys can see that well. But for the sake of the video, I've already loosened these up, so I can speed this process up. But, oh, that one fell near the mat. But go ahead and loosen up the bolts and remove them. And now you guys can see this. Yes, perfect. Go ahead and pull this down. There's a pin here and there's a pin here, I believe. You want to go ahead and pop that off. And once you pop the front down, you want to go ahead and pull it forward. There's also the socket, the 12-volt socket over here, so you want to be mindful of that. Go ahead and pull that down. But once you have it fully down, pull it forward and it should just pop out. And you want to go ahead and disconnect this and disconnect the little light in the back. Just make sure you grab the actual plug and don't pull it by the wire, or else you'll just rip it off the... Go ahead and remove this panel for now. Now once we make our way back down here, this is what we need, our T20 Torx bit. There is a panel towards the left side that you can see that's curved almost like a banana. There is a bit here. There's one here that you have to remove with the bit. That's where the cabin air filter is hidden behind. I don't know why BMW couldn't have done it like every other manufacturer and just have a panel behind the dashboard, but this is why I'm making a video to help you guys. Go ahead and loosen those. They're not that strong in there, so you can probably do it by hand.
They're not that tight in there, should I say? That one.
And take this one out. I believe this should just pop right out. Yep. Now you want to pop the back first. Just wiggle it out. And it should just fold right here. And now the air filter comes right out. Just careful because it tends to be a little messy. Once you pull that out, you get your dirty air filter. Alright, so once you've gone ahead and grabbed your brand new filter, you want to make sure it's pointed in the correct direction. So I looked back on the other filter. This filter is bent. So the way that it's bending, I guess my best way to explain it is it's like a U, and then the arrows are pointing down into the U, I guess you could say. So yeah, bend this like a U like that, arrows pointed downwards. Now, you can go ahead and bend this and actually put it in there. Actually went in a lot easier than I expected. So go ahead and grab that panel back, and starting from this end, go ahead and pop it in. So there is a gasket, so you want to make sure it goes into these grooves properly. Go ahead and squeeze it. It should clip in. There's like these clips on the sides. Go ahead and grab your two little, Torx. Put them in the holes again, or else your filter will end up falling back out. Go ahead and tighten them. Honestly, these don't have to be too tight. I feel like I'm tightening them strong enough by hand. If you feel like you can't tighten them that strong, just use a ratchet, but just don't over tighten them because you don't want to strip the plastic. So once you have that back in there, we're gonna go back out here. Oh yeah, so once we're back out here, we're gonna go ahead and grab that panel and slide it back over us. We're gonna go ahead and reconnect the appropriate wires. Grab the little black one, plug it into the light. You wanna go ahead and grab your 12 volt, plug that into there. Like so. Now once you have that plugged in, let me see if I can get my flashlight over here. So once you have that plugged in, you can see there's a little hole right there. And then there's also a lip right there. So this little lip goes over that one. And that little hook hooks into there. So go ahead and slide that over there. This one. And put this down. You guys can kind of see. Let me focus that in there. That's in there. That's on that lip. Now you can go ahead and line this pin up with this hole right there. And you can line this pin up with that hole. And just be careful with this, not hitting this part, like this. So you want to just push it forward a little bit, get it behind there, and just line up the pins. That back into place. Now you want to go ahead and actually put those two 10mm nuts back. One here, these.
So, this one back.
Grab the 10 mil, tighten them up. And that, guys, is how you put in a cabin air filter in a 2017 BMW 330i. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.